Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Blender unsupported graphics card or driver error step by step. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Open up any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type OpenDLL Files. Look for the official DLL Files website in search results and click on it. On the website, you will see a lot of information, but the key section you need to see is the download section. Download the supported version of the required DLL file. Next, you need to find the Blender's file location. I have downloaded Blender through Steam, so I will open it through Steam. In the Blender's installation folder, search for the relevant file using the keyword open. Before proceeding, create a backup of the original file. Right-click on it, copy and paste it into a safe location. Once backed up, replace the original file with the new one you downloaded. Confirm the fix. After replacing the file, launch Blender and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the unsupported graphics card or driver error in Blender. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.